Monkted here, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a sword simulator on Roblox Studio part 7. And in today's video, we're going to be making the NPCs so that they have a chance of spawning, and I think we're also going to be trying to make bosses. So, right here, we can just delete this whole function, and then in the NPCs, just change their chance to add up to 100. So I'll do this one. The forest NPC, I'll do that of a 40% chance. And the regular NPC, the chance will be 60. So it adds up to 100. And then do that for the other one. Again, I'll do 40. And then 60. And then after that, we're just gonna, up here, we're gonna create a function. So local function, and then we'll do pick NPCs. And then all we need is the amount, or the map name. We can just do folder, and then amount. And then after that, we can do local chosen NPCs equals, so we have a folder so we have a table that we can put our chosen NPCs into. Then we can do for I equals 1, comma amount do. And then we can do local chance equals math dot random, and then 1 out of 100, like that. And we can do local counter equals 0. And then for underscore, comma NPC in pairs. And then we can just do NPCs. We do folder, get children. Like this. Or they're trying to add an end. Is it right here? And I guess it needs another end right there. So right here, we can just do counter equals counter plus NPC dot chance dot value. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it for right there. And then all we're gonna do is if chance is greater than or less than or equal to counter, then we can do table dot insert, and then we can just do NPC or NPC chosen NPCs, comma NPC, and then we can just do break. And then right before that, we can do, oh my god, this is annoying the heck out of me. So we can do return chosen NPCs. And then, yeah, now that we have that, so local NPCs equals pick NPCs. If we just click play. Alright, it didn't print anything. We'll try that again. We can do choose NPCs. And then we'll change this to choose NPCs. And then we can just do a print here. Print map. We'll try that one more time. I don't think this is gonna print anything. No, it didn't. It didn't even print the map, which means that this is not firing. So if we look at it, that's weird that it's not printing. I'm gonna go try to figure this out. Alright guys, I just had to mess around with some of these like ends, and that's all I did, so make sure yours looks exactly like mine, and then we should be good to go. So now that I've got the like system down for the NPCs spawning randomly, in the spawn area, if you want to make a boss, I guess all you're gonna have to do is make just another NPC and make it bigger. I'll do it real quick. I'll name it to like forest boss, and then I'm gonna name this one a winter map or winter boss, frost boss, like this. And then, by the way, if you want to make it so that they'd have different health, you can just go to the forest NPC and the humanoid, and we can make it have like the health down here. We'll change it to something like 300. And then the forest boss, we can change its health to a lot higher, like 500 or 600. And then the regular one, oh wait, no, the forest NPC should only be like, the health should probably be like 100 to 50. It's not letting me change the health, so max health we have to change to 150, and then the health we have to change to 150. So if we go back to the boss, and then we'll just change it to 300. And then we can change the coins reward to 75. And then I'm just gonna do that to the other one and figure out some health. Alright guys, once you're done with the health, I'm just gonna take these two bosses and put them in the workspace, and then just make them apart. And now that we've got them, we can just scale them a little bit bigger, like that. I think would be good. And then I think that's it. So all we have to do is put them back in the folder, and then once you're done with it, you can just click play and hopefully it will work. So we'll try it. Oh, also we have to quick change the chance. So in the chance for the forest NPC, I'm going to be putting that at a 30% chance. Or I'm going to keep it at 40. And then change this one, regular one. I'm going to change the chance to 55. And then for the boss spawning, I will make the chance like, you know what, let's do 10%. And then right here, we can change it to 50. And then I'll do the same for the others. Alright, so once you're done with that, if we just click play, then hopefully the boss should spawn. If it doesn't, well, I'll just keep clicking play. Alright, so it did spawn. And it looks like we do have to make them a little bit higher. So I think that if we just drag them up, I don't know if they fall through the earth. Alright. So it looks like we can... Alright, there's gonna be a few things that we're gonna have to edit real quick. And that is the hip height. So if we just drag these back into the workspace, so the Frost boss, I'll just be demonstrating this one. Put it back into the workspace, and we have to edit the hip height. Right now it is at like the normal one, but if we just go to the hip height, right here, to find these studs, we can just put a part down, like right at its feet, and then all we have to do is scale it up and then set that as its hip height. So just like this. And the part says that it is 4 or 5. It's 5. So if we just set the hip height to 5 and then see what happens. And then I'm just gonna do that to the other one. So just set the hip height to 5, and then you can try playing and hopefully it will work. We might have to change the height so it jumps actually. And then all you have to do is that in the NPC thing, we can do NPC :jump. Or I think we can do NPC.humanoid.jump equals true. And then if we check if there's a jump value, yeah, there is. So yeah, I think that should work. Alright, it does work. So we'll check to see if the NPC is on the ground, and it's not. So I think that's like a few studs, like maybe a stud. And you're just gonna keep editing that until you get it perfect. Alright, I think I got it perfect. Oh, and by the way guys, if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe because we do giveaways every month. And actually we hit our giveaway goal this month. So make sure to subscribe so you can enter the giveaway. And then go to my Discord and comment your username where it says giveaways. And join my group so I can give you the Roblox. And yeah, we'll be doing that giveaway at the end of this month. But we crushed our goal and I think we're at 147 subscribers. So definitely make sure to subscribe. And yeah, this bosses is working. I would set the hip height to like 4.5 for mine, but you're just going to change yours to what fits yours. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys liked, make sure to subscribe. And make sure to enter that giveaway so you can get the Robux. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.